ನಾವು ಮಾತ ಬಂಜಾರ ತಿಳಿಪಾಯಿ ನಂಚಿನ ಈ 4 ಜನ ಕಲಾವಿದರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಪ್ಪೋಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಆಡ ತಟ್ಟಿದ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಕೊರ್ದು ನಿಖಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ತಂಡ ಆಕಲ್ನ ತೆಲಿಕೆ ನಿಖಿಲೆಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟದನ್ನು ಪಂದಾರ್ಥ ಸೊ ನಿಖಿಲ ಜೋರಾಯಿ ನಂಚಿನ ತಾಟಿದ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ರಂಜನ್ ಬೋಡೂರ್ ಬರೋಡು, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕೋಟಿಯಾನ್ ಕೊಡೆಕಲ್ ಬರೋಡು, ಅಂಚನೆ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾರ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರೋಡು, ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ರಲ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರೋಡು, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಲ್ತಿನಂಚಿನ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಕಡೆಕಲ್ ಇರ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರೋಡು. ಅಂಚನೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾರಿ ಬಂಜಾರ ತೆಲುಪಾಯಿ ನಂಚಿನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ತಂಡ ಕೂಡ ಜೋರಾಯಿ ನಂಚಿನ ತಾಟಿದ ಮಾನಾದಿಗೆ ಐತ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಮುಗಲೆ ಮಾನಾದಿಗೆ ಸಂದೈತ ಮಲ್ಪೆರೆ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಜಪು ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗುಳ್ಳರೆ ತುಳುನಾಡ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ವೇದಿಕೆದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಜಪು ದಯಮಲ್ತಿ ಮಿತ್ತ ಚಾವಡಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಬತ್ತದ ಮುಗಲಿಗೆ ಮಾನಾದಿಗೆ ಕೊರಡು ಬಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋರಾಯಿ ನಂಚಿನ ತಾಟಿದ ಮಾನಾದಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ತಂಡಗೆ ಬಲೆ ತೆಲಿಪಾಲೆ ಆದುಪು CPL ಆದುಪು ಮಜಾ ಭಾರತ ಆದುಪು ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ರಂಜನನ್ನ ಇನ್ನಿತ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತೂನಾಗ ಇಂಚ ನಿಜವಾದ ಅಂಚ ಹತ್ತು ಸರಿ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು ಅಂಚದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪೊಗ್ಗುಣವಂತೆ ಅಂಚನೆ ಉಪ್ಪೇರು ಅಂಚದ ಉಪ್ಪನಾಗ ತಾಟಿದ ಮಾನಾದಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಮೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1 ಬುಕೆ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮಾತಾ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಮೇಲ್ ಸಂದೇತ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಚಾರಿಟದ ಪರವಾದ 3 ದುಬೈ ಇದನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾದ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬತ್ತದ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಂದೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಿರಲ ಬಂಜಾರ ತಿಳಿಪಾದರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಪಡು ಎಂಚ ಪೂ ಅರಳಂಡ ಅಂಚನೆ ನಂದುಂಬು ನಿಖಿಲ ಜೀವನಲ ಅರಳಡು ಪೋಯಿನವಳು ಬತ್ತಿನಲ್ಪ ಮಾನಾದಿಗದ ಮರ್ಯಾದಿ ಯಶಸ್ವದ ಪಟಕ ಪೋದು ಸಾಗಾಡು ಪಂಪಿನಂಚಿನ ಆಸದ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಸೊಲ್ಮೇಲ್ ಯೋಗೇಶನ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೆ ಕಾತುರದಿಂದ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಈಗ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರೇಗೋ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ NV ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ 2018 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೇದಾಗಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಥನಿಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ನ ಮುಖೇನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೋನಾ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. So they'll walk on the ramp, they'll hit the ramp. Meanwhile, they will be here in the ethnic attire. So let's all put our hands together. ತಾಟಿದ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಪೊರ್ಲ ಸಿಂಗಾರಡು ಪೊರ್ಲ ಐತಾಡು ಬರ್ಪುನಂಚಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುನಾಡದ ಪೆರ್ಮೆದ ಮದುವೆ ಬಲ್ಪಿನಂಚಿನ ದಾಂಪತ್ಯ ಜೀವನ ಕಾರ್ಯದ ಬಡೇದಿಯಾದ ದಾಂಪತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದ ಸುಖಮಯವಾದ ಸಾಗೋನಂತ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಈ ಪೊರ್ಲುದ ಒಂಜಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ವಾಕ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮರ್ಥ್ಯರು ಎಂದು ಪಡೆದು ತೋಜಾರೆ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೋದ್ರು ಬರೋದು ತಾಟಿ ಜೋರಾದು ಬರಡು ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಜೋರಾದು ಬರಡು ಮೋಕೆಡಿ ಎದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ 2018 ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. And the clap should go on and on for Mrs. Mangaluru 2018 contestants, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Thank you so much for the continued slaps, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so one by one, we'll start with number 1 to contestant number 12. So firstly, we'll have on stage contestant number 1 walking forward for the introduction.
Namaskar everybody, myself Deepa Mahesh Mutapur, born in Goldman District, Raichur. I live in a beautiful city, Mangalore. I'm currently working at Air India Express as a senior cabin crew in charge for last 10 years. I'm pretty hardworking and dedicated towards my work. I'm loving wife, caring mom and supporting daughter. Life gives us a lesson each day, not for learning, but to improve our understanding. First thing, second belief, third dream, finally drag. It's a possibility of having your dream comes true. Never stop doing your best just because somebody is not crediting you. Last but not least, I would like to thanks to Riku Event team and Joyce Riku, the beauty pageant who was Mrs. India Dubai 2017. And also thanks to Rejoy Master Garden for giving me such a beautiful platform. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was contestant number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Mangaluru 2018, contestant number 1. Thank you so much, Deepa, for the lovely introduction. Up next, we have contestant number 2.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Mrs. Jayalakshmi from the city of Mangaluru. I am from Cook. and I am as a staff nurse by profession, and my hobbies are singing, dancing, and making friends. I balance my professional and personal life very well, and also I'm a simple and strong-minded person. Finally, I would like to thank Rego Events Private Limited for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to showcase my talent. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, Jaya, for the lovely introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 2, Jaya. Thank you so much. Up next, we have contestant number 3, walking forward.
ಕುಡಾರಿ ರಾಮನ ತುಡರ್ ಅರಳಿನ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊರ್ಲ ಕಂಠದ ನಾಡು ತುಳುನಾಡು. ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮದಕಲು ಸರ್ವ ರೀತಿಡುಲ ಸಮಾನತೆಡು ಬದುಕುನ ನಾಡು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುನಾಡು. Good evening one and all. I am Shruti and now working in Mangalore for Lakme Academy as center head. My hobbies are writing articles, poems and reading books. And I'm a talkative with an understanding nature and dedicated. I would like to thank Rego Events for giving me such a beautiful opportunity and a good platform to begin a career in a beauty industry. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, Shruti, for the lovely introduction. Up next, we have contestant number 4. So this is contestant number 4, and here you go with the introduction.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Mrs. Anita Sons from Karkala. I am working with KMS PU College as an admin support. My hobbies are I love cooking, gardening and love to spend time with senior citizens in my spare time. I am a positive self-starter and a down-to-earth person. I like to take challenges that I can do it. I take both success and failure in a balanced manner. I'm very grateful to Rejoice Mustard Garden and Rego Events team for providing me such a wonderful opportunity on this platform. Thank you one and all.
That was contestant number 16, Anvita. Up next, we have contestant number 17 to hit the ramp. Can we have contestant number 17, please?
ಮುಲ್ಪ ಸೇರ್ದಿನ ಮಾತ ಜನಕ್ಲಿಗ್ಲ ಎನ್ನ ಉಡಲ್ ಜಿಂಜಿ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಡು ಪುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆತಿನ ಈ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಮಿತ್ತು ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ಮೋಕೆ ಪಟ್ಟದು ಯಾನ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರೋನ್ವೆ. A true beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. My motto in life is to destroy people with my success and lay them with a smile. Good evening, judges, and to one and all who are present here. My name is Mrs. Tejaswini Shetty, and I'm here to live the life of my dreams. I'm a doting mom and a loving wife. My husband is a businessman and I have a 5-year-old son. I'm a model and actress by profession. Determination is the one word that describes me the most because I have a beautiful family behind me and I can see the spark in their eyes growing each day, which gives me confidence, courage and power to work even more harder. I thank Mrs. Joyce Rego for giving me this wonderful opportunity to showcase my talents. Thank you.
That was contestant number 17, Tejaswini. Thank you, Tejaswini, for the lovely intro. Up next, we have contestant number 18 hitting the ramp. Can we have contestant number 18?
Good evening everyone. I am Mrs. Pavya from Boulder, Mangalore. I am working in sales coordinator in Hero FinCorp Limited. About myself, I am a strong woman. My strength has come from my husband, who is pillar of my support and proud mother of 7-year-old daughter. And I am really thanks to Mrs. Joyce Rego for giving me this beautiful opportunity to showcase my talents and skills. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhavya. A huge round of applause for Bhavya, contestant number 18. Thank you. Up next, we have contestant number 19.
Good evening everyone. This is Madhura. and I come from Surya. My interests mainly are traveling and listening music. Present, I am doing my cosmetology in Lakme Academy and pursued my career in this field. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was contestant number 19, Madhura. Thank you. Up next, we have contestant number 20.
Thank you. Hello everybody. Good evening. I am Mrs. Smita Damodar, hailing from this beautiful coastal city of Mangalore. I'm a fun-loving, energetic, and a very enthusiastic person. I'm a physiotherapist by profession, currently pursuing my PhD. I'm also a fitness trainer. My hobbies primarily involve fine arts like drawing, painting, sketching, and playing the guitar. It also revolves around adventure, sports, as well as baking. I find myself very connected to nature and I love trekking. I'm also a marathon runner. I would like to conclude my words by saying a beautiful quote from my favorite author, Robin Sharma. Never be too busy to be kind. I also take this opportunity to thank Rigo Events for giving me this wonderful platform to showcase my talent. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Smita. Here's a round of applause for our contestant, Smita. She was contestant number 20. Here you go.
Just being born as a woman is the greatest gift of God that all must appreciate. They say that you touch a man's heart and he will reform himself. But you touch a woman's heart and she will reform her family. Good evening, respected judges and ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mrs. Livia De Almeida. I am from Maryhill, Mangalore, and I am that proud woman who's here to live a dream of her life on this platform of Miss and Mrs. Mangaluru 2018. I am a business analyst by profession and my interests revolve around singing, music, dance, sketching. I am a marathon runner and a fitness enthusiast. My family, and most importantly my daughter, is the fuel of my life which keeps me going. My biggest motivation comes from my support group, Moms of Mangalore, which connects mothers from the region and is associated with various support causes in the city. I am dedicated, extremely passionate about the things I do in life, and I am a go-getter. Tonight, I'm here not just to win your hearts and to crown, but to achieve a bigger purpose of my life. I am here to represent women, power of women. Women who are striving hard to come out of the dark shadows of discrimination and society's embargoes. I strongly believe that I can hear the roar of every woman's silence, and I shall be an inspiration to break that silence and be a voice of their roars. To conclude, I would like to thank Mrs. Joyce Raigo for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be a proud finalist of Miss and Mrs. Mangaluru 2018. Thank you, everybody. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much, and thanks for saying that we'll have a lovely evening. After number 21 for the lovely introduction. Up next, we have contestant number 22. Okay, here we go. Contestant number 22.
Good evening, respected judges. The future belongs to those who believe in beauty of their dreams. I'm Veena D'Souza from Mumbai. I want to describe myself in one statement that I'm simple living with high thinking. My strength are my family because things couldn't be possible without them. My hobbies are watching detective serials and dancing. I would like to thank Rego Events for giving me this opportunity to stand on this platform and showcase my talents, skills and fulfill my dreams. Thank you.
Up next, we have contestant number 23.
Thank you. Mother Nature, also known as Mother Earth, which signifies the power of woman. Good evening, everybody. I am Mamta Rebello from Mangalore. Regarding me, I am working for Cooperative Bank as a branch manager. I am an active member of Lions Club International 317D. I have a handsome son of 23 years old. Not the least, I would like to thank Rego Events to giving me this opportunity to present myself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. That was contestant number 23. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful jewelry what these contestants are wearing is brought to us by Kushal's Fashion Jewelry as jewelry partner. Kushal's Fashion Jewelry is India's largest fashion jewelry brand, having 26 stores in 10 cities in India and is now open at Mangalore, second floor City Centre Mall. Renowned for the distinctive designs and indirect craftsmanship, Kushal Fashion Jewelry takes pride in reinventing fashion jewelry for women. Miss Mangaluru contestant walking the ramp, before which we have our proud mayor of Mangalore City Corporation. Please put your hands together for Mr. Bhaskar. May we have a pleasure of having Bhaskar Ji on stage, please. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮಹಾಪೌರರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೋರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಹಾಪೌರರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಾಸ್ಕರನ್ನ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಬತ್ತಿನೇಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ತು ಮೋಕೆದು ಬೈದಾರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲ ಇರ್ನ ಮೋಕೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ತು ಏಪಗ್ಲು ಪಡ ಜಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೇಗೋ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ತು ಮೋಕೆದು ಬೈದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನೆನಪು ಸದಾ ಒರಿಯಾಡು ಪನ್ಫಿನೆನ್ಸಿನ ಆಸೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುನ್ನ ಬಹುಶಃ ಒಂದು 2-3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಜೋರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸುದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರು. Joyce Rego, may we have you once again on stage. Florally welcome Sudiksha Kiran. Let me remind you, Mrs. Mangalore, madve agide aita, tension madodu beda. So once again welcome and thank you so much for being here. Entire team nikla ulludu mahila mandali dakle maatiyarla battu ottatere ee medlo ullera judges avla maitri malli ate. Okay, anyways madve nakle ee namne porlu dayage ninge gotta abuji, but that's okay. Maybe you already here. Why don't two beautiful ladies join together and a beautiful rose in the center. Thank you so much and thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Revolution Dance Company ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ದೂರದ ನೃತ್ಯಮಯ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ RDC ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ RDC ಅವರು. RDC ಅವರು ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ ರಿಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಮುಖೇನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ RDC ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
मैं हूँ तेरा किंग ओए, लेके आया रिंग ओए, बन जानी आज मेरी क्वीन तू. करा पर पोज ओए, तरीफा रोज ओए, कि दसा हो मच हसीन तू.
जाओ लफंगे ना इश्क में ले पंगे, फीलिंग तू दिल में दबा ले.
ओ हवा 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 मुझको उड़ा ले, आजा आजा तू मेरे दिल को चुरा ले. इश्क वाले कार्ड पे नाम मेरा लिखा ले, बीच में ही बसी है बात आगे बढ़ा ले. बॉयफ्रेंड बना ले,
किसी और को पटा ले,
बॉयफ्रेंड बना ले,
नजरे तू हटा ले,
मुझको फंसा ले,
किसी और को पटा ले,
बॉयफ्रेंड बना ले,
नजरे तू हटा ले.
नचती तूफान सी हर एक ठुमका आजमाए, बजती अलार्म सी दो पल न शांति, क्लब की जगह दे आत्माएं. हो आजा बहला देंगे हम आज अंगना, तेरे नाल करके बीट ड्रॉप डिस्को बोले सारी रात सज्जना, डिस्को बोले सारी रात सज्जना, डिस्को बोले सारी रात सज्जना.
ಮಿಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಎಥ್ನಿಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕಡೆಯದಾಗಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಿಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 2018 ಅವರನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಥ್ನಿಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೋರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು 2018 ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಮಿ ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಕೈಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾದಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಜವಾಗಿ ಸೌಮ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿನ ಅಡಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ 1/4 kg, ಅರ್ಧ kg, 3/4 kg ಸ್ಮೈಲನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು 1/4 kg ತಾಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 12ನ ತನಕ ಅವರ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಪಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ number 1. Here we go. Contestant number 1, Swati, your introduction, please.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Swati Eskulal from Udupi. I completed my education at Nitte University. I'm an actress by profession and aspiring model. My hobbies are cooking, shopping, and I'm goal-oriented and straightforward. Finally, I would thank to Rego Event for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mokid bari mokid ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಪಾಠ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕಿಡ್ ಪಾತಿರಿಯರ ನಾ ತಾಟಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜೋರಾತ್ ಕೊರ್ಲೆ. Contestant number 1, you hit the ramp and please come back. Huge round of applause for contestant number 1, Swati. Thank you so much, Swati. Up next we have contestant number 2.
Good evening, judges. Good evening, everyone. Solmilu Kudla Namaskara. I'm Miss Ashwini Pujari here. I'm a proud daughter of Mangaluru. I'm a cabin crew by profession and want to be an actress by passion. I have a great supportive mother and a lovely sister. Singing, dancing, acting, painting are my hobbies. I would like to describe myself with 2 words. That's the meaning of my name: complete and strong. Yes, I do have a strong belief in myself. I would like to open stay animal shelter, and that is my goal in life. Finally, I would like to thank Rego Events for giving me this wonderful opportunity to participate in Miss and Mrs. Mangaluru 2018. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashwini. Please. Contestant number 2, Ashwini, ladies and gentlemen. Up next we have contestant number 3. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so why don't we have your introduction, please?
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Ashwini Ammu. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Tokkot, Mangaluru. I'm currently pursuing my BHM at Saras Institute of Technology. My hobbies are photography, acting, dancing, singing, and I'm passionate towards acting and even modeling. I finally thank Rego Events and Joycey Rego for giving this wonderful platform. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashwini. Bachelor's of Hotel Management, right? I'm sure you'll cook well and eat well as well. Contestant number 3, ladies and gentlemen, Ashwini on stage. Up next we have contestant number 4. Okay, so here we go, contestant number 4. The mic is all yours.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pradnya and I'm 19 years old. I'm currently pursuing fashion designing and I'm living in Mangalore. I'm a co-founder of an event organizing group called Perfect Vibe, which was initiated a year back. A fashion photographer and stylist in making and also a part of an NGO called Shield of Hope. I wish to inspire people because if I inspire one person, they could inspire the others, and that way the world would be a better place. I strongly believe in individual omnipotence, and with regard to that, I think we shouldn't do injustice to whatever role God puts us in. I'm here today because this pageant consists of 2 main aspects, that is, the beauty and the cause, which I'm very much interested in. I would like to conclude by thanking Rego Events for giving me this wonderful opportunity and for bringing the best out of me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pradnya. I'm so sorry, Pradnya. Thank you so much. That is contestant Prajna. Thank you so much, contestant number 4. Up next, we have contestant number 5. This is for you. Can we have your introduction, please?
Hello everyone, myself Raksha. and I hail from Shaktinagar, Mangaluru. I am 19 years old. Currently, I'm pursuing my degree at Canara First Grade College. I'm a classical dancer. I'm a determined and a supportive person. I accept things whichever comes into my life with happiness. And I want to thank Rego Events and Regis Master Garden for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much. Why don't you hit the ramp with a beautiful smile? Thank you so much. That was contestant number 5. Up next, we have contestant number 6. Hi, contestant number 6. Why don't you have your introduction?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Amanda June Lasrado. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Mangalore. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and traveling. I want to thank Rego Events for this unique concept. The concept is beauty with the cause. I want to also thank for giving me this opportunity also. I aim to inspire people. Have a lovely evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amanda. I took 2 days to pronounce her name so beautifully, Amanda. So why don't you hit her around, please? Ladies and gentlemen, please note that was contestant number 6, Amanda. Thank you so much, Amanda. So up next, we have contestant number 7. Contestant number 7. Hegidiri?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Okay, so your introduction, please.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ms. Nishita Fernandez. I come from Padavenangadi, Mangaluru. I'm pursuing my BA in St. Aloysius College. My hobbies include swimming and reading books. A strong belief in myself and optimism is what drives me forward, and I aspire to become a writer. I want to thank Rego Events for this recognition and opportunity.
Thank you so much. I was just hiding myself from a sunshine so I don't get... Why don't you hit the ramp, please? Thank you so much, contestant. That is contestant number 7, Nishita. Thank you so much, contestant 7. Up next, we have contestant number 8. Contestant number 8, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Good evening. I'm Shravya, year old. I'm from Mudipu and I'm doing 2nd PUC in Sri Ramakrishna Prevansri College, Mangalore. My hobbies are singing and dancing. This is the beginning of my journey and I want to start my career in modeling and acting. So finally, I would like to thank Rego Events for giving me this greatest opportunity and also thank my mother who is my greatest inspiration. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, contestant number 8. Please. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಡಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ RDC ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂದಿ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ತೆಲುಗು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟೀಮ್ RDC ಮಂಗಳೂರು is all right in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. All you have to do is 2 hands which are apart. Please put your hands together and welcome RDC ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
चांदनी रात में चुरु कन्नीर साल ಮಾಡೋಣ चांदनी चौक में आड़ा दिलने सेल ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಆಟಿಗೆ ಬುಲೆಟ್ 1 by 1
again a hearty welcome to all the wonderful audience gathered here. Rego Events, NV Green, a tribute to Mother Earth, presents Miss and Mrs. Mangalore 2000. ಎರಡನೇ ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಥನಿಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಎರಡನೇ ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರೇ ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಅವರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಕಲದಾದ ಮಲ್ಪೇರು ಬಂದಾಗ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಕ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿನ ತೋಜಾದ ಅಕ್ಲ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಂಚೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು 2018 ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟು ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ gorgeous ladies, please put your hands together and welcome Mrs. Mangalore 2000.
you.
Thank you so much. That was the creativity round. Hey, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ RDC ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾದಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಡಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ನ ಮುಖೇನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅಪ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ RDC ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
नशे सी चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई ऐसे खेचे दिल के पेचे गले ही पड़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई उड़ती पतंग जैसे मस्त मलंग जैसे मस्त सी चढ़ गई हमको तुरंत ऐसा लगती करंट जैसे निकला वारंट जैसे अभी अभी उतरा होने से टोरेंट जैसे नशे सी चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮಿಸ್ ಪರಿವರ್ತನಾಗಿ ತೃತೀಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸಂಜನಾ ಅವರ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜನ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮೈತ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಮಾತು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪೇಜೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಜನಾ ಅಂತ, ಮೂಲತಃ ಕಾರವಾರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ದಾಂಡೇಲಿಯವಳು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿನ್ನರ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ವಿನ್ ಆಗೋದಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭವಾದ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಉಂಟು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರು ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ, ಅವರ ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಾವಭಾವದಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆನುಡಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಒಂದು.
Up next we have the second round added to the second round, which is Miss Mangaluru 2018 contestant. Okay, so this was the creativity round of Miss Mangaluru 2018 contestant. Before they leave, we'll have one by one hitting the ramp once again. I'm sure they have a lot to talk about their beautiful, handmade attire maybe and the messages maybe. I'll be standing right in front of you and reading it out louder for you. So why don't we have all the girls hitting the ramp once again? So we have a beautiful lady with the contestant number 11 wearing purple lavender outers for us. Thank you so much. Contestant number 10 with a beautiful paper artwork. Our waste paper could be molded into a beautiful attire. Up next we have contestant number 9. She says, avoid plastics and save environment. With a beautiful paper made attire, she has avoided plastic completely. So we have the next lady in white. She says, save paper, save trees. Let's not cut trees to make papers and let's not use papers. Thank you so much. And she also said, toilet paper, wedding dress. Thank you. The next one. She says the dark night is a fascinating when thousands of firelights glow, save her. She has a beautiful glowing attire. So we have a gorgeous woman saying, no to cigarettes, put it out before it puts out you. So no smoking is what her message is. Green the world today, richer your life tomorrow. She has got a natural leaves made dress. That's contestant number 5. We have a fire hot looking contestant number 4 with a beautiful black gown with the yellow and red flowers. A beautiful paper made attire which is contestant number 3. Save green, join hands to save trees concept. You can see a coconut leaf weaved hat and a beautiful attire. We have a fire burning woman. There is no such thing as so she says that you have to be neat and clean by your heart and not have fire. Up next we have the last round coming up, before which we have Team RDC once again to rock the stage.
Life isn't sail towards the sky, feeling so high.
ಕಮ್ಮನಗ್ತೀಯ ಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಲ್ತೀಯ ನಿನ್ನಾಗೂ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಲ್ಪ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತೂ ನನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿನ್ನೋಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಕೋಲವೆರಿಡಿ ಕೇಳೆ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನೀನೇ ನನ್ನ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನಾನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರೇ No problem, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೈಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿನ್ನ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿದ್ರು ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಚಾಂಡ ಊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫೈನಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ 4-6 ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಗೌನ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಗೌನ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೋಹನ್ ಗೌಡ ಅವರು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋಹನ್ ಗೌಡ ಅವರ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು 2018 contestant with the evening gown round. So why don't we put our hands together and welcome all the gorgeous ladies on stage, ladies and gentlemen.
To the king.
So that was the final evening gown round of Mrs. Mangaluru contestants. Up next, we have Quicker on stage with the Miss Mangaluru 2018 contestants. This will also come on the ramp with the evening gown round. I'm sure after which we're going to select top 6 Mrs. Mangaluru contestants and top 6 Miss Mangaluru contestants. So may we have the pleasure of having all the gorgeous ladies of Miss Mangaluru. Those were the contestants of Miss Mangaluru 2018. I'm sure they look smoking hot. Their beautiful attire is brought to you by Mr. Mahesh Gowda. Thank you so much, sir, for designing that beautiful attire. Now moving on, as you all know, this is a part of an event that we're going to select top 6 Miss and top 6 Mrs. Mangaluru contestants. And to do so, may we have the final list from the judges. Now we have this top 6 Miss Mangaluru contestants to join me. Of course, these are the finalists of this wonderful event, and they will pass through the toughest hurdle of this beautiful competition. That's the question answer round. So why don't we have 6 Miss Mangaluru contestants, ladies and gentlemen, the top 6 to make it to the finals. Contestant number 6, Amanda. Congratulations, Amanda. Up next, we have contestant number 4, Pragya DS. Congratulations, Pragya. Up next, we have the 3rd contestant who's made it to the finals. We have Nishita Fernandez. The 4th one to make it to the finalists is Raksha Rao, contestant number 5. Oh, family tumane joragide. Okay, the 5th contestant, we made it to the finals with the contestant number 9, Sushmita Acharya. I'm sure everybody backstage are eagerly waiting to know who that one number is, and everybody deep inside their heart is hoping that the number should be theirs. And unfortunately, I just have one number with me, and that number is the final contestant who can make it, who have made it to the finals of Miss Mangaluru 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for that last contestant who have made it to the top 6. That is contestant number 2, Ashwini Pujari. Congratulations, ladies. Thank you. Congratulations. A huge round of applause. Mrs. Mangaluru final contestants, may we have the privilege of having them also on stage, right? They're going to join us on the stage together. Okay, so Mrs. Mangaluru alle 6 ಜನರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. First finalist who can make it to Mrs. Mangaluru is Deepa Mahesh, contestant number 13. Congratulations, Deepa. The second contestant who made it to the finals is Tejaswini Shetty, contestant number 7. And the top 3rd finalist of Mrs. Mangaluru. So simple, Anita Songs. fourth contestant who have made it to the top 6 of Mrs. Mangaluru. Contestant number 20, Smita Damodar. Last but one was made it to the finals of Mrs. Mangalore top 6 is contestant number 21, Olivia D. Almeida. Okay, and we have the last contestant to make it to top 6 of Mrs. Mangaluru. And the top 6 contestant number 22, Veena. Of Miss Mangaluru contestant who are in the first row, and followed by the next row we have Mrs. Mangaluru contestants. So we're going to have the question answer round first for Miss Mangaluru. So Miss Mangaluru contestant avರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ question answer round ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. So here we have the contestant who's my favorite number, contestant number 4. Pragya, to kindly come forward.
Hi Pragya.
Hi ma'am.
My question to you is, what do you think the technology or the social media, is it bringing people together or it's causing separation?
Actually, there are two things I would like to say. There's advantages and disadvantages too. Like, it depends on people to people. We cannot just say it is bad. Like, it just depends on people, because if I was using it, I would use it for good things. Like for example, my fundraising. I spread around the word through my media. So you can, it's just left to you how you are. It depends on person to person. So I think it's, we cannot blame other things just because if they're bad or no, we cannot decide that. It just depends on the person. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragya.
Thank you so much, Pragya. That was a beautiful answer from your end. Thank you so much. Contestant number 4. Okay, so up next we have contestant number 6, Amanda. So how beautiful are you feeling tonight after being in top 6?
I can't express.
You can't express that. Please come forward.
Hi Amanda,
Hello,
good
ma'am.
evening.
Good evening.
So how are you feeling?
A little bit nervous.
Okay, don't worry, relax.
Yeah.
My question to you is, what is that one quality in you that you would like to change and why?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. The one quality that I would want to change in myself, I mean, what I want to bring in myself is patience. Patience is one thing that I lack. I don't have it. I think the greatest example is Joyce, ma'am. Because today, there were so many things going up and down. She took it so calmly and she took it so gracefully that I was thinking that why don't I have that quality in me? So she's my inspiration, and I hope I did justice to the question. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jasmine, for the beautiful question. Thank you so much, Amanda.
Thank you.
Give a round of applause for contestant number 6, Amanda. Up next we have contestant number 5, Raksha Rao. Raksha Rao, congratulations first of all for making it to top 6.
Thank you.
It is not that easy, but still you've made it.
Thank you.
And let that smile remain with you forever.
If you made a Prime Minister of India, what are you going to do? First preference.
First, I would thank our judge for asking me this question. Sir, if I was a Prime Minister, then first I would stop corruption and women abusement in our country. Like how much ever law you get, still people try to do the same mistakes again and again. And I want, if it's like I'm a girl and I want to tell people that woman is not a thing. She's not a game. When God has created something, like we respect human. Why do we respect human? We tell that human creation is the best creation of God. If we don't respect that human creation, then it is like disrespecting God also. So this is what I want to tell. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for those beautiful words. Thank you so much. I loved it. Thank you. Up next we have contestant Nishita Fernandez. Hi Nishita, how are you? After that you had all the light on yourself. Okay, Kirtana madam, how are you? Ria Foundation.
I'm good, yeah.
Happy to have you. Your question, please.
Hello, Nishita.
Hello,
How
ma'am.
are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Right. My question to you is, who is your role model and why?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. I do not have a role model because I feel everyone lives different lives. And our experiences, our achievements, our failures as well are known only to us. So comparing our lives with others wouldn't do justice to ourselves. We can be the best version of ourselves if we try. So for me, my role model, the one person I learned from my mistakes is mine. And I also learn from my success or achievements. So I have no role models. It's me who I try to improve on and look up to. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nishita. Beautifully said. That's a beautiful saying which says, it is not a time to learn from our mistakes, but it is definitely the time to learn from others' mistakes. So thank you. After you. Up next, we have contestant Sushmita Acharya to kindly come forward. Sushmita, this is for you. So how are you?
I'm feeling good.
Good. Okay, please come in the center. And the judge is Vikas Putran.
Hi, Sushmita.
Hello, sir.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
My question to you is, what is that one thing that we would not know about you just by looking at you?
Thank you for the question. I would like to answer in Kannada. So, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ನನಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನದು ನನಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಐ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೇ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಯಾವತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆತನ ಇದ್ದರೆ 4 ಜನರ ಹತ್ರ ಹಂಚ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಮಾತನ್ನು ತಾವು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ. Up next we have the last but never the least contestant, cabin crew herself, ladies and gentlemen, Ashwini Pujari. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Mrs. A person with the longest name possible, Mrs. Maitri Malli Venkat Charan Shetty.
Hi, Ashwini.
Hello, ma'am.
You look lovely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Even you too.
Thank you. So the question to you is, what is your biggest fear and how do you want to overcome it?
Thanks for the lovely question. Actually, there is a saying in Sanskrit, Anubhadra Krito Yantu Vishwatha, means the good things which comes from all over the world, you have to accept it and you have to make change in yourself. But the biggest fear in myself, in me is, I'm very attached to my family, to be very frank. I'm very attached to my family and I'm really scared about my future. I want to be with my mom and with my sister always. So I don't want to go away from them and I don't want to miss them forever. So whatever the good things we have and whatever the good things I do, so I should get it as a blessing. So that's the main fear which I have in my life. So I don't want to miss my family forever. That's the thing. I want to be with them happily forever.
Hope she answered
Thank
your question.
Thank you so
much. Ashwini, thank you so much. You're a cabin crew. Everybody has a dream to fly high in the sky, but she has got a dream job wherein she's always in the sky. So huge round of applause for Ashwini. Thank you so much. Off you go. Okay, now quickly, these were the 6 contestants of Miss Mangaluru 2018-19. Up next, we have Miss Mangaluru contestants being here on stage, and the question answer will flow to Mrs. Mangaluru 2018-19 contestants. The first number which I am going to call is Tejaswini Shetty. Huge round of applause for Tejaswini Shetty. And the music when she walks in. Please come forward, Tejaswini. So how are you, Tejaswini?
Good.
Good. So you have your family here tonight?
Yes.
Okay. Can we have Tejaswini's family waving at me?
Yeah.
Very good. They're right in front. Okay. Now, which judge, according to you, you think that, okay, they may ask me an easy question?
For me, all are same.
She has to say that because now you never know. Okay. Now.
Hi, Tejaswini.
Hello, ma'am.
My question to you is, what makes you different from other contestants?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I'm a woman
without telling the world that her crown is crook. So I can say that I'm different because of this, because I'm a strong woman who lifts another woman. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sarita, for your lovely question, and thank you so much for answering so beautifully, Tejaswini. Should end. Okay, up next we have contestant Anita Sons. Contestant number 16, Anita Sons. Anita, this is for you. You have your family here tonight?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Can we have Anita Sons' family? Oh, beautiful. You have a huge family.
Yes, sir.
Good. Srinivasa.
Yeah.
Your
Hi,
question,
please. If you get more chance in this field, if you are going to continue, if yes, how you are going to manage the both family and the career?
Thank you for your question, sir. Charity-based pageant is one of my dream project as well. Since my childhood, I have been maintaining myself in helping others and the one who are downtrodden. So in case if I get an opportunity, I would like to utilize full-on extent because I'm full-on impressed by Joyce ma'am. So what sort of activity she is doing, I'm totally impressed with it. So even I have decided she's a role model and example for me. I would like to continue the same. And the thing is, what else helping nature she has got towards the poor, especially unprivileged peoples and families, such that we can donate something they could lead a normal life. As well, even disabilities, such that they can lead a normal life by having proper education, good quality education, as well as good quality medicals, as well the families who are staying in interior, such that I can collect some charity or monitoring or services, such that it could help them to lead their daily lives and make them lead a comfortable life, for example, to have financially or else food, etc. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. There's a beautiful saying which says giving something from your everything is the real difference. I'm sure you will do that in your life, and thank you so much. Okay, so we have next contestant to join me is Deepa Mahesh, contestant number 13. Deepa, please come forward. How are you?
Thank you.
Okay, so your family is here?
Yeah, right sitting there.
Hi. Okay, so Deepa, let's see who's going to ask you a question. Hi, madam. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
All good.
Hello, Deepa.
Hi, ma'am.
You've got a very pretty smile.
Thank you so much.
Right. My question to you is, what is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to win the pageant, which I have been participated first time. And it's my dream since from my childhood to walk the ramp, to be the part of the event in a big event, so that it is a charity event, even though I have been participated for the first time, and I am very much proud to be participated in this event because it is a charity event where I can help the childrens, and I love the childrens whoever are in a poor condition. And I feel standing here in front of you all and walking in a ramp, going to the village, helping the kids with the parents, and I feel I have won. And thanks for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to participate in this so-called event. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the lovely answer, and thank you for the question, madam. Thank you. Up next, we have contestant Veena, contestant number 22. Please come forward, Veena. Do we have anybody from your family here?
My brother is there.
So, okay, so let's see who your judge is for the evening. And of course, the flower herself, Jasmine.
Hi, Veena. Good evening.
Good evening.
Veena, my question to you is, this pageant is beauty with a cause. There is charity concept attached. I want to know, how do you plan to take charity forward? What initiative or what efforts would you take to do charitable work?
Okay, thank you for the question, ma'am. Actually, my project is on village development. If I win this title, I will spread this message to surrounding and society, the new techniques about the agriculture development in the villages. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, sir. At least you are as tall as me. Okay, now moving on. We have the next contestant to join me is Smita Damodar. Can we have Smita on stage? And this is for you, Smita. How's this evening been for you?
It's been a wonderful experience. Memorable one.
Memorable one. Why so memorable?
It's something new. It's
Okay.
something unique.
Very good.
And it is with a cause.
Beautiful. Okay. And the judge, Vikas Putran.
Hi, good evening, Smrita.
Good evening, sir.
My question to you is, what was the hardest sacrifice you had to ever make in your life?
Thank you for the question, sir. The hardest sacrifice that I have made in my life is,
Anything that you had to overcome in life?
yeah, I'll see. It's the hardest sacrifice was when I lost my mother, and there were a lot of things that I had to sacrifice in order to, continue my studies. I had to support my father and my family. So that is the hardest sacrifice and the most difficult thing in my life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Okay, up next we have Livia, the last contestant, who's going to come for the question answer round. The mic is all yours.
Thank you so much.
So how are you?
I'm feeling good.
Good.
Ecstatic.
Okay. What was the next second word you used?
Ecstatic.
Ecstatic. Some new word to my dictionary. Ecstatic. Right? Ecstatic, right? Hopefully somebody will not come and ask me what that is. Okay, now, your family is here?
Yeah, my husband's sitting right over there.
Now, coming back to your judge, it's Maitri Malli Venkat Charan Chetty. I believe you have to start writing your name the other side of the book so that it comes in the front. Maitri Malli.
Okay, that's about my name now. Fine. Okay, hi Livia.
Hello, ma'am.
So my question to you is, if you could have any one superhuman power, what would that be and why?
Thank you for this interesting question, ma'am. Well, superhuman power, currently living in Mangalore, I think with this superhuman power, I would like to complete the Pumpwell Bridge, the flyover. Well, jokes apart, if I have a superhuman power, I would definitely make all efforts into bringing the black money back from the Swiss bank, because in our city we see the underprivileged, the uncared for, the unloved people, the downtrodden, not just in our city but in our state, in our country. There are so many people who are uncared for, unloved for, weaker sections of the society. There's a huge gap between the rich and the poor, and this gap is getting bigger and bigger. So if I'm given a superhuman power, I would definitely put in all efforts into bringing the black money back from Swiss bank and bridging the gap between rich and poor in my city, in my state, in my country, so that I can make this place, my city, my country, a better place to live in, a better human I envision to be. Thank you so much.
That was ecstatic answer. Now, one more question, because you spoke so beautifully. Are you interested in politics?
Not really.
If you were, then we would have the tallest politician possible. Thank you so much, Livia.
Thank you, judges.
And no wonder if you want to construct, Pumpwell Bridge. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your love towards your mic. Thank you. A huge round of applause for Livia. Okay, let's live together here. Okay, now moving on. These were the top 6 finalists of Miss Mangaluru and Mrs. Mangaluru contestants. So wishing you all the very best. We're going to have only 3 winners from Miss Mangaluru and Mrs. Mangaluru. Let's see who are here for the victory. Let's see who that person is who's going to go back home with a lovely crown. Okay guys, huge round of applause for the formation, and of course the choreographers Vardhan and Sarita. Huge round of applause, and the formation will continue. Put your hands together for the last time. We have RDC. walking back on stage, guys. Can we have a huge round of applause and make some noise?
Let's go hard as a motherfucker.
Once again, for the final time, right in front of you, when they're on stage, they would want to listen to a huge round of applause for the last time. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to almost an end of this event. And this event is not complete without the crowning ceremony. And also the subtitles winners are looking forward to know who the winners are actually. So may we have the pleasure of firstly having all our 6 judges on stage. Please put your hands together and welcome all the lovely 6 on stage. May we have Mr. Srinivasa, Mrs. Sarita Madam, Jasmine, Kirtana, Maitri Mali Venkat Charan Shetty, and Vikas Putran on stage. May we have Mr. and Mrs. Joyce Rego, the owner of Rego Events, to join us. Ladies and gentlemen, a person behind this wonderful event. We have 2 choreographers who have put in their hearts and souls to make this event a grand success. We have with us the gorgeous Sarita. And of course, we have to call another person who is equally responsible for the lovely choreography, Mr. Vardhan Pai. Can we have a huge round of applause for the most eligible bachelor we have with us? Lastly, before we go on to the list of the subtitle winners, I would want Joyce Rego to speak a few words because it is not actually easy to put up such a lovely event. I'm sure your helping hand is always behind you. Your lovely husband coming all the way from Dubai and setting up an event in Mangalore is not a small task. Having conversed with all the people possible, especially with the event team and your marketing team and your coordinating team and everybody. And that's of course a person who has put in soul to this event, MC of the event also. What do you have to say for the final time?
Hello everybody. I must thank each and everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you for my 24 contestants. Without them, this show would never happen. The moment we started this was like 3 months before when we joined as a family actually. And we got to know each other so well. And today it was even so difficult for me to judge them because I know all are the best. They have done a very good job in fundraising part especially. Even if it's a small amount or even if it's a big amount, they have really done a good job. This event would never be a success without them. I have a title with me, especially for this particular event, which is called Mustard Princess and Mustard Queen. So this is also one of the title which is going to continue year after because the contestants who are going to win this will be the brand face for the NGO. Now, Mustard Garden, Rejoice Mustard Garden is my NGO, and I'll be continuing to do the same charity work hereafter. So my marketing team, I have Cosmic Creations, in which we have Ms. Sharmila, Mr. Prasad, and Ravi, who has helped me a lot. And I also have people behind the mask, as what Sahil said, is my husband, who was always behind me saying that you need to do it in this way, you need to do it in that way. Yeah, even now he's behind. The best part of him is he's the person who is never in front. I mean, he never says that he has done something. So I'm very grateful to you, John, and thank you for being and coming all the way from Dubai.
Can we have you on the front stage? Because the show is complete only when the husband and wife together walk and hit the ramp, right? So can we have the music? Joyce and her husband, John, will come together. Then we have Maitri and Vikas. Then we have Srinivas sir with Kirtana ma'am. Then we have Vardhan and Sarita. And then Jasmine and Sahil Rai. A huge round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the owners of Rego Events, Joyce Rego and John. The Maitri Mali Shetty and Vikas Putran. The person who has come all the way from Bengaluru, Srinivas sir and Kirtana madam. The choreographers of this beautiful pageant, Mr. Vardhan and Miss Sarita.
Are you ready for this?
And of course, Jasmine. Thank you so much. Select. The first subtitle list is the most talented. The most talented Miss Mangalore is Miss Raksha and Mrs. Mamata. I request Joyce and John to kindly do the honors. I request Mamata to kindly come forward. Please come forward. Mrs. Talented Mamata. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to say about Mamata, I thought she's married for 5 years, but I was wrong. She's married for 24 years and she has a son who's 23, right? Oh my God. I have seen people using santur, but I've never seen people eating santur, but you never know. Mrs. Mamata. John, please. Congratulations. Up next, we have the list of Miss Ramp Walk and Mrs. Ramp Walk. This is something which is very important for every pageant, that they walk beautifully. Okay, now here we go. Miss Ramp Walk, we have Manda, and Mrs. Ramp Walk, we have Livia. Congratulations. May we have Maitri Mali and Vikas Putran to do the honors, please. Vikas, please this side. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you. Back to your places. Thank you so much. Now we're going back to the Beautiful Smile, Miss Beautiful Smile and Mrs. Beautiful Smile. I would have the lovely pleasure to be announcing Miss Beautiful Smile, and no much pleasure in announcing Mrs. because her husband is here. Miss Beautiful Smile goes to Nishchita MS and Mrs. to Anita. May we have Kirtana madam? Okay, the next subtitle is for being so creative that they had a creative attire round. You know how the people were in the creative attire round. And Miss Creative goes to Sushmita Shetty, and Mrs. Creative goes to Tejaswini Shetty. Two Shettys in the house. Can we have you on the front? May we have the pleasure of having Vardhan Pai and Sarita Madam. Alright, up next we have Miss Photogenic and Mrs. Photogenic. Okay, so Photogenic, Miss Photogenic goes to Veena. May we have a pleasure of having Jasmine Man to kind forward and also Vikas Putran to join. And one picture, please. Congratulations. Thank you. Okay, so we have the next set for Miss Body Fit or Fit Body, or Miss Shilpa Shetty and Mrs. Shilpa Shetty. Let's see who the winners are. Body Fit, Miss Body Fit goes to Sonia, and Mrs. Body Fit goes to Smita. I feel it. And the most fittest body will award this. John, can we have you? And Srinivasan. Okay, so as you all were wondering what this Body Fit is, these ladies or these girls managed to take 50 push-ups in 3-minute plank, and that's not easy. You know, we struggle so much. And Srinivas, no, sir, I believe you know what the That's okay. So huge round of applause for John and Srinivas. Thank you. Up next we have Miss Goodness Ambassador and Mrs. Goodness Ambassador. And this is basically on how beautiful they are with your heart. And I'm sure they have done a lot of work to the society and social work within them. So may we have the pleasure of having Miss Goodness and Mrs. Goodness. They will be the ambassador and probably for the next 1 year, right? So they will be serving this beautiful charity event as a brand ambassadors, and they will be here for 1 year. That's okay. This is subtitle. Okay, and that is yet to come. Let's see what it is later. Now we have Goodness Ambassador. We have Miss Ashwini Pujari and Mrs. Violet Pereira. Can we have Ashwini Pujari and Violet Pereira with a huge round of applause? She couldn't be a part of the event, but still she's here for all the subtitle. The lady whom we always see behind the camera. Okay. Maybe have Mardhan and Jasmine. Alright guys, thank you. I have to be talking about Mrs. Violet Pereira here and the lady in red. She is the most youngest person we have in this. She is just 51. 53. Oh, I was the one who's the MC when she celebrated her 50th birthday. Right? And of course, a lady who is a successful journalist because we always see her covering any events with that wide heart. Thank you so much, madam. Up next, we have social media icon and social media icon Miss Shravya and Mrs. Livia. Social media icons. Social media based on the maximum number of likes in Facebook. I request Sarita madam and I request Joyce Rego.
Saves my night.
Thank you so much. Okay. So there's one more category to be announced. I request Joyce to kindly come forward and she'll announce what that is.
This is one of my favorite category, which is Mustard Princess and Mustard Queen. Now, most of the time I'm not in India, so the NGO what we have, Rejoice Mustard Garden. I want these two members to take it forward for the future, whatever we have. Maybe we'll have new events or maybe we'll have some events related to the charity pageants or other things. So I have chosen two members and these two members will be a brand face for our NGO. So the Mustard Princess goes to, any guesses? Now, there's a confusion here. When I say Princess and Queen, doesn't mean Miss and Mrs. It only means someone who has really gone beyond their limit and they have worked for that betterment of that village, for that charity. They have collected funds. It's possible that most of us have many friends, so we just send messages, we get the money or whatever. But there are some people who have even gone door to door and they have collected money and they have done this particular fundraising. So the Mustard Princess goes to Miss Swati Kulal. And my Mustard Queen is Miss Ashwini Pujari.
Thank you so much. Up next, we have the winners of the event. But before which, we also have our sponsors, VLCC, who's sponsoring 10,000 rupee gift voucher for both the winners, for Miss Mangaluru and Mrs. Mangaluru as well. And we also have Jasmine here to give away 2 lovely prizes.
Hello and good evening, each one of you. Good evening, judges, all the contestants, and congratulations to all the winners. This is our, it's like a lucky draw, and it is a holiday, a 2 nights, 3 day stay. It's a 2 night, 3 day stay anywhere in India. The terms and conditions would be there with Rego Events Private Limited. It is for a couple. Now, when I say couple, it need not be husband-wife. It can be 2 friends also traveling together anywhere within India within a period of 1 year. For all further details, you need to contact Rego Events Private Limited. And the most important thing is blackout dates. That is, super peak season is not included in this offer. Rest, all other dates are included. And for further information, you need to contact Rego Events Private Limited. Thank you.
Thank you. I just had to ask that, and for all the bachelors in the house, congratulations. I'm not a part of it. Anyways, now moving on, let's see who the winners are, ladies and gentlemen. This beautiful event is coming to an end after we crown these winners, because they have taken a huge trouble and a huge interest heartily and within to win this wonderful event. And that's not a small thing, because they have put in their heart and soul. ಈ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ Mangalore second runner-up. Second runner-up of Miss Mangaluru is Pragya. Second runner-up of Miss Mangaluru. I request Kirtana Madam. Request Kirtana Madam to kindly crown. The second runner-up of Miss Mangalore is Pragya. Congratulations, Pragya. You'll be getting a beautiful sash, a wonderful crown, and a trophy. And the lovely title, having the second runner-up for Miss Mangaluru 2018-19. Okay, so moving on with the ramp walk. Kirtana Madam, please say to ramp with the lovely model who's won the second runner-up, Pragya.
Turn it on, motherfucker.
Okay, the second runner-up is announced already. Moving on to the first runner-up of Miss Mangaluru 2018. That is... First runner-up, Miss Mangaluru 2K18-19 goes to Nishita. I request Vikas Putran to kindly come forward and crown. Thank you so much. Vikas and Nishita, ramp. Alright, so here we come to the winner of Miss Mangaluru category. And to do the honor, may we have on stage Maitri Mali to join us. Maitri Mali, stage bale. And the winner of Miss Mangaluru 2K18-19 will be getting a beautiful sash, a beautiful trophy, a beautiful crown, and a cash prize of rupees 50,000 and 10,000 rupee voucher from VLCC India. So now, the winner of Miss Mangalore 2018-19. Any guesses? And the winner of Miss Mangalore 2K18-19 goes to Amanda! Huge round of applause for Amanda, who will be Miss Mangaluru. Congratulations, Amanda. You will be getting a beautiful crown for yourself and a sash, of course, having the title Miss Mangaluru 2K18-19 and the crown by Maitri Mali and a beautiful trophy by Joyce Rego. And a check by John Rego and a beautiful hamper by Sarita. I want everybody to join for the picture. Please come forward. All the guests for the picture. With the three winners. Winner Amanda will be getting 50,000 rupees check. She'll be getting 10,000 rupee gift voucher from VLCC and a beautiful trophy. Amanda, congratulations. Thank you so much. We'll take all the checks from you and I want Maitri and Amanda to walk the ramp. And a huge round of applause for Maitri Mali and Amanda. Thank you so much. And now I want all the three winners to walk the ramp. Amanda, Nishita and Pragya. And pose for the picture, please. Thank you. Okay guys, now we move on to the Mrs. Mangaluru 2018-19 contestants. Here we have 3 prizes to cherish in this wonderful stage. May we have the pleasure of having the second runner-up of Mrs. Mangalore 2018-19. She is none other than Anita Sons. I request Vardhan and Jasmine. Jasmine to kindly sash her. Thank you so much. I want all the 3 to walk into the ramp, please. Up next, we have the first runner-up of Mrs. Mangalore 2018. And she is none other than Tejaswini Shetty. The first runner-up, Tejaswini Shetty. And I request Srinivas sir and Kirtana madam. Thank you so much. Why don't you three hit the ramp, please? Thank you. Now to the winner of Mrs. Mangaluru 2018-19, and it is my pleasure to announce this name. And of course, the winner of Mrs. Mangalore 2018-19 goes to Pumpwell Flyover herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Livia. Congratulations, Livia. Winner of Mrs. Mangaluru 2018-19. I request Joyce Rego to kindly join. John Rego to kindly join. And also, everybody together. Joyce Rego and John Rego crowning a winner of Mrs. Mangaluru 2018-19. Livia will get a check of 50,000 cash prize, a beautiful trophy with a beautiful hamper and 10,000 rupees gift voucher from VLCC India. Congratulations, and I want all the three to hit the ramp. Joyce, John and Livia, who's gonna live her dreams being Mrs. Mangalore 2018-19. Thank you. Now I want all the three winners to hit the ramp. Livia, Tejaswini Shetty and Anita Soames. Now, when the winners are busy with the pictures, I want all the six to pose for the pictures. Meanwhile, we would like to thank our judges, especially Maitri Mali and Vikas Putran. I request Joyce Rego to kindly come forward and give the memento to our judges. John Rego, Maitri Mali, Director of Atom Fitness Club, Mannagudda. I request you to kindly collect the memento from John Rego. Joyce Rego, please join. Mr. Vikas Putran, Managing Partner of Atom Fitness Club, Mannagudda, Mangalore. And how can we forget our Srinivas sir, all the way from Bengaluru, to kindly collect a lovely memento. Thank you so much for all your love, sir. And Miss Kirtana, may we have the pleasure of having you front to collect the memento, please. Kirtana, thank you so much for all the wonderful contributions you do. Thank you. This is the purest form of blessings you could ever get. Thank you. And the two lovely choreographers we had, Mr. Vardhan Pai, to kindly join to collect the memento. Sarita, as the name always says, Dada Mantanalla Sarita now. And we have Sarita and Vardhan Pai receiving a memento for choreographing this entire event. Huge round of applause. It's not an easy task. Thank you so much, Maitri. Thank you so much, Vikas Putrum. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Okay, last but not the least, Jasmine herself, ladies and gentlemen, being one of the jury to collect the memento. Okay, guys, none are losers here. Everybody are winners. For an extra participational skills and for the hard work they've put in, I request 4 of y'all will receive a crown in this beautiful evening, and the names go as such. Thank you so much. Once again, I take this privilege to thank all our lovely sponsors. Rego Events presents NV Green, Miss and Mrs. Mangalore 2018. We thank our partners, Associate Partner Mr. Srinivas Kamath Bolar. And thank you for our title sponsors, NV Green. And thank you for our fashion jewelry partner, Kushal's Fashion. And also a beauty partner, Lakme Fashion. Thank you so much once again, and VLCC specially for your lovely gift vouchers. And of course, this event is brought to you by Rego Events, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, for the final time, I would like to thank each and everybody gathered here, especially the ones watching there. Thank you so much. Good night, take care, and see you soon.